Dapat dalawit ang kayo mo. Itang nanakas ka rin.
Matali ka?
Settings.
Hindi ba ganito magbalat?
Paano pakitaan mo nga ng anong?
Wala ka lalay po to.
Eh?
Wala, tira na kanina. Ano po, madali.
Eh?
Gusto mo
Kung
tuloy-tuloy?
kapilan mo ka video yun.
Oh, sige.
Andun po, madali.
Email.
Ay, yung island dito.
Baka naman pumuputok yung mga manok niya.
Or outage eh.
Hanggang 1 p.m.
Nasa dagat lang pala. Ako nga.
The newlywed.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko. Sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Huwag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma.
Wapin, ano. Dapat sa tanda.
Wow, mineral naman daw. Tapos tinravel dito. Kaya ganun siya ka ano.
Tanda.
Ay! Hi guys! Nino?
Flashback.
Tutorial 101, how to cook ramen using uling.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Easy man.
One eternity later.
Kaya pa ba?
Ayan, kanya, yung iba't ibang uri. Hindi na.
End of flashback. It's the feeling I get when I look in your eyes and you're staring back.
Good morning.
Oh, I treasure good moments like that.
Morning po isang yarn.
Para bang ito talaga
It's the time that we spend doing nothing
Gising
at
pero
all.
hindi pa nandito.
Gising pero gising na ba talaga?
Oh, with you there is nothing I lack. If you ask me what love is and what it's about, to be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could be candid and tell you the truth,
Nangyari
I'd
sa'yo.
love to figure love out.
Paggabi.
Uli ka sa camera, be. Yan po, kaya po mainit ang tubig.
Cut on! Cut on! Welcome to our vlog. Kapagod.
Ay, kapag na natin.
Oo, naghanap akong ibon, mayang inuwi ko. Ay, ito nakakusar yung ibon. Hindi na yan, ibon, itlog.
Itlog pala.
Wala yan.
Falling in love's not what I had in mind. I try to stop it every single time, but you came along and turned my world around, spinning at the speed of sound, changing everything that I knew. Now all I see is euphoria. This is everything I wanted and more. And all the feelings of euphoria, you are everything I wanted.
Pinulog. Pinulugan ng island hopping. Yun lang.
Heaven above is merciful and kind, sending an angel beautiful and fine. She came along and turned me upside down, spinning at the speed of sound, changing everything that I knew. Now all I see is euphoria. This is everything I wanted.
Ay, dito. Parang hindi na kaya dito.
Para bang paghamon sa buhay.
Hali, buriming thrill. Buriming thrill.
Sobra lang kasi alo na mo yung alo kapurit niya.
Siyempre, wait na. Buriming thrill na.
Pakalakas eh. Kailan linabas mo?
Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Guys, we're at Hamara Island. At busy po sila naghahanap ng anong tawag? Basta yung cute things.